Hello everyone, in today's topic we are going to discuss about 10 unique ways you can make money from Instagram. I would be discussing in English and Hindi as well, so no need to worry and let's get started. So what are badges? Badges are subjected to the content you create as live content. When any of your followers purchase badges, you will notice a heart next to their username. इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, अगर आपने देखा हो कोई गेमिंग स्ट्रीम चलाता है उसमें सुपर चैट होता है, सेम वे badges works in Instagram for $1, $2, $3 and many more. Licensed photographs and videos. There are many websites and pages on Google which sells their high quality pics and videos. So using Instagram, you can show your content and develop your business and charge for it. An average photo can be sold between $5 to $10 according to the quality of the photo. Fan membership and exclusive content. Patreon is a membership platform that allows artists and creators to earn a monthly income by providing rewards or perks to their subscribers. Another effective way to promote your Patreon account is to conduct a giveaway contest. The Patreon account can be utilized to publish long-form videos including tutorials and step-by-step guides. जिनके पास ज़्यादा फॉलोअर और ऑडियंस है उनके लिए बेनिफिशियल होगा, और जिन लोगों को नहीं पता है व्हाट इज़ Patreon, आई विल गिव अ लिंक बिलो. इट्स अ वेबसाइट. Consulting. People are earning lots of money using consulting. For example, someone wants to grow their brand or Instagram page from zero. You can either guide them or get paid to grow their account. People will start believing once you show your proofs and success. अगर आपने मान लो 0 से 10K या 1K और 5K फॉलोअर्स ग्रो किए इतने समय में, ये स्ट्रेटेजी अपनाई और ये किया, तो लोग मानेंगे कि हाँ ये बंदा सही है, इसने इतना ग्रोथ हमको दिखाया है. Shopping. If you have a product that you want to sell on Instagram, the platform allows you to set up a store. This requires you to create an Instagram for Business account and create a product catalog. Instagram also provides rich insights on your store's performance. Instagram shopping is only available for managed clients in India currently. IGTV ads. Using it, creators can earn money for the content they produce. When you monetize content on Instagram, you provide brands the option to promote themselves within the videos you post. How much you will earn will be determined by the numbers of views your video produces, called monetizable plays. You will get some 55% of the ad income generated for each view that will be paid monthly once you monetize. Social media manager. He or she is a person who manages an Instagram account by creating content, understanding its algorithm, and at last grow an Instagram account by charging particular fees. Average annual salary of social media manager is Rs 4.2 lakhs in India, which is passive income. Create your own brand and earn money using it. First of all, define your goals, find your focus or theme, create a style pattern, select one niche, publish quality content consistently, be active to build a brand on Instagram, take advantage of hashtag, create a branded hashtag, repurpose content from other accounts. ऐसे कई सारे ब्रांड है जैसे कि क्लोथिंग, फुटवेयर, शूज़ एक्सेट्रा जो ब्रांड बना चुके हैं और अपनी प्रोडक्ट भी सेल कर रहे हैं. ब्रांड पार्टनरशिप्स एंड स्पॉन्सरशिप्स, ये तो आप लोगों को पता ही होगा. यू विल गेट पेड और यू विल गेट सम फ्री प्रोडक्ट्स. इन रिटर्न यू विल प्रमोट देयर ब्रांड्स टू योर फॉलोअर्स. और ब्रांड्स को कैसे अप्रोच करें और कितने पैसे चार्ज किए, इसके ऊपर हम अलग से वीडियो बना देंगे. प्रमोट अफिलिएट लिंक्स. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission for promoting other companies' products and service. You can promote affiliate links via your bio, captions, videos, and also post to your audience. Content creators can expect to earn 5 to 15% of commission on every sale. If you are confused about affiliate marketing programs in India, we will make another video of it. I hope ये वीडियो काफ़ी हेल्पफुल था. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos like this. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Good wishes and bye bye to everyone until the next video.